Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's understand and let's learn in this video tutorial how to use a digital multimeter. Simultaneously, we will check one by one all the electronic component, either it is a transistor, diode, capacitor, transmitter, as well as also LED, extension board, wire, various kind of the electronic component by using this multimeter. So firstly, let's understand here, this is your pointer and arrow sign here, see here, according to your requirement in every edge indicator place unit, just you have to place this and you will be able to check it out. So before going here, let's understand this. This is a positive probe. So just you can say it's a positive probes. So this is we will place here, and this is negative. This is a proxy negative wire. So just I will place this one in comb. So firstly, this one select in a comb always. Negative wire, just you have to select in comb, and positive, this red wire, you have to select in a C. When you select this one here, voltage, ampere plus ohm, everything you will be able to check it out. Only one, if you would like to check it out ampere, then just you have to place here. So I will check ohm, voltage plus ampere. So just I will place this one here. Now firstly I will check it out this wire that it's functional or not. So just I will put this one on a continuity point. So see guys, this arrow here came on this beep sign. So this is a continuity. So it will give you beep guys sound. It means this wire is a correct and we can go ahead. So now see guys here, this is a for direct current. If you would like to check it out, battery voltage by placing here. Yeah, if you would like to check it out, your charger adapter of either it is for laptop adapter or either it is your mobile charger or mobile adapter. So here just we will place to check it out direct volt. So below the 20 voltage, above the 200 voltage, just you have to place here, and this is above the approximately 1000. So now see guys here, just 20 voltage. So I will take a one charger and I will check it out how much voltage is coming in this charger. So see guys here, just I will check it out. So approximately 5 voltage is coming. See, 5 volt is coming. Now see, how can I confirm which one is a positive and which one is a negative point, which one is earth and ground. So see guys here, just I will place on a one point here and this one. So it means this is a earth and this is for ground. Now earth and ground, this is your positive and this is your negative. When I place this one on a positive side, this negative probes, and I will place here, so it will sign you in a minus. So this is for direct current. If you would like to check out directly your alternative current, so how I will check it out, let's understand here. This is extension board and directly current is coming from electricity. So just I will check it out by placing this one in a alternative current. So approximately 750 voltage, it's for approximately 200. Below 200 you can check it out, and you can above the 200 voltage you can place here and you can check it out. See here guys, this is a alternative sign. So this voltage for alternative current. So just I will place here in extension board and I will check it out. So approximately 235 voltage is coming in this extension board, and we can confirm it. This extension board is okay, it's a functional. So this is an easy way to check directly electricity voltage from your extension board or any board also, guys. Now see here, I will place this one in a ohm. So see guys, here this one is for resistance. So I will show you in a next video tutorial how you will confirm this resistance, how you will check it out. So firstly, let's understand on a continuity. So this is your continuity, guys. In a continuity, how you will understand it's okay or not. So let's have one wire here. So see guys, I have taken this one. Now here on a continuity, just you can check your wire also by placing. So see, I will keep this one at one corner now, and I will check it out. It will give you beep. So it means this wire is correct. Similarly, you can check it out all the supply of this electronic board, that is it working in proper way or not. So let's understand here. Means from here to here this board is coming supply. So wire supply also, plate supply also, you can check it out by using on a continuity point. Second one, see guys, on a continuity you can check it out your diode. So let's have one diode here. So this is your diode, guys. In a diode, silver sign, this is your for negative and this is for positive. So this is your positive anode and this is your cathode. So in a capacitor, guys, here how I will check, this is a positive and this is negative. So I kept this one arrow, this pointer on a continuity, and I will check this by placing here. So now see guys, it has a given you reading approximately 379, and when I will change this proxy wire, and then it will not give you any value or reading. So it means this diode is good, it's a functional, guys. So easy way how to check the diode by using this one strategy on placing this pointer on a continuity point. Just check on an anode, just place your positive proxy wire, and in cathode just place your negative just a black proxy wire, and just it will give you reading. And when you change this proxy wire, it will give you 1. There will be no reading. It means this diode is a proper functional. Now see guys, similarly if you would like to check it out your just a capacitor, how you will go for check it out capacitor. So similarly you have to this place on a continuity point and simply see, this is your, for example, one capacitor, this is your negative point and this is your positive point. So negative sign this is, so just I will place this one here and this one I will place here. So it will give you reading, and by reading just it will placed on a 1 now. So after reading it has been reduced on a 1. So it means this capacitor is a functional. Similarly if I change this one, it will give you reading in a minus way and it will be placed on a 1. It means it's storing the charge and it's discharge also. So charging and discharging both is working. So both capacitors are having this capacitor. So easy way I can say that this capacitor is a quietly functional. Similarly guys, if you would like to check it out your here resistance. So resistance, just I will select on ohm. So from here to here, this is ohm. So on a ohm, let's have one resistance. See guys, in a resistance here, just for example, this one I would like to check it out, this resistance. So this is a given. Now 20 means 4000 approximately. This is a resistance. 4000 reading is a coming. If I go in this way by changing this proxy wire, it will give you similarly. So 4000. So by using this, placing on this ohm, you can check it out the resistance. If it is not a giving value, it means its resistance is not a proper functional. It's not okay. Now see guys, one thing more I would like to tell you here. In HFE is used for measure the transistor, especially in beta value of a transistor, either it is in a PNP or NPN. So now see guys, I will come here. Now see, this is your NPN and this is your PNP. So this is for especially transistor. So this is a transistor in this device. Just we will extract this one and I will place in a 3 hole and we will measure. So it will give you after placing here guys, HFE. So in a beta value, we can easily check it out by using here. So at the moment I cannot extract it, but separately video I will show you in a next video tutorial that how you will check it out the transistor. Now see guys, here on a continuity, various kind of the component this can be, especially for 10 ampere you can here. Now see, in ampere bulb ampere you can measure out, but I will show you by a DC current in a next video tutorial how you will check it out any LED bulb ampere. So in this video tutorial, this is all about you guys. In a next video tutorial I will tell you one by one separately, so that will be easy to understand. So this is all about in this video tutorial. If this is acknowledgeable and informative, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for accelerating knowledge in IT sector field guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.